You may not be a movie star. You may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. Yes, I love you in every way.
Now people, a snippet of the clip where it says from Russian's latest release, I Don't Know Why, featuring the likes of Shenseea, Swae Lee, and Young Thug. You see me, would advise you to go check it out, you see me, if you haven't already. Yeah man, now clearly Shenseea pray to take her career to the next level, and rightfully so. Since last year we noticed that she start diving at the hip hop mainstream markets, you see me. Remember when she went to the collab with Tiger on the track there.
Blast, bitch, I'm the best. Way too blast.
Yeah man, the same one, the man, you see me? You can tell Sir Ramesh now ramp with our career, you see me as a people? Now as usual, opinion split right down the middle, so we could talk about it, see? Now while some fans just enjoy the music every time it put out, you have someone say, yo, the music not sound organic. Some basically say sound generic, you see me? I them as a Shenseea and her team as a force music upon people. Get me, say? Now to be fair, this is not Shensea's fault, you see me? Shenseea has a well-equipped team behind her. Shenseea the poster child for what is perceived to be a commercially successful dancehall artist, meaning while you may not be able to list 10 of her songs, she still a sell music, still a tour all over the globe, and still a get put on some of the biggest platforms in her music. Breakfast Club, Tim Westwood, you name it. As I say, you can't blame Ramesh for continuously pump money in her Shenseea career to get publicity so she can propel her career in the right direction. As I say, people, yo, so take for example the new song. Ramesh make sure say yo the link and set for put her on with some big overseas talent, you know. You see me? And Russian make sure say the beat no sound too dancehall. Now when me say yo it no sound too dancehall, I take it out of context, you know. It just means say yo the remake of the original song and the beat get a mainstream and commercial touch. It now gonna have that grimy street Jamaican essence, you see me? And make no mistake, do that on purpose, you see me as a people. Now because the purpose of the song is to not just have a lifespan in Jamaica, but to capture the attention of the mainstream market and captivate overseas fans. So the quote-unquote generic sound of the song is intentional. Just consider Russian and Jamaican DJ Khaled. You see how 90% of the songs that Khaled organize and compose become a commercial hit? Yeah, because him know the sound that most people want to hear. Them use the catchy hooks and the melodic beats and draw back with some 90s and early 2000s hits to play upon the heartstring, you see me? So you get a nostalgic feeling. So comes you feel like you know a song already, you get what I say? Either way, big ups to Russian and the whole Head Concussion team. Big up Shenseea, Ramesh Entertainment, the whole works. And if you notice people, Ramesh make sure say yo, when one time artists them put out anything, the rest of the campus support it the whole way. Man know why I do, and more people for imitating success like that. Because like him or hate him, man do a good job, you see me? Moving on. Yeah man, so now Vybz Kartel continuously cause mystery from behind prison bars. Now this picture surfaced on him IG a couple days ago, and it's a player for the strength of a next post on the previous upload. In the first post, him basically did a big up a lot of people, namely the dancehall artists them, cause him did make mention to the fact that the music changed enough poor people life and bring them far. So him basically did a big up the artists them, big up the selector them, big up the producer them, the radio host them, the DJ them, all of that, you see me? But he wouldn't name Vybz Kartel if he did just left it right this, I don't. Yeah man, so the second pick, which is that one here, isn't it? The second pick here. He basically publicized the fact that he himself, Vybz Kartel, Popcaan, and Egyptian met best of the decade music list. Now, first of all, big up the three artists that met the list. Yeah man, them works and now go unnoticed, isn't it? But as you can see, and I post a World Boss caption it with. Dog say, look if you see them. Sleepy emoji. Sorry, no? Hashtag pitch park. So if I make it all make sense, just reference the first post, you see me, first picture. Now, people, as I say, Vybz Kartel nowhere, but everything what the man do, trust him tell us, say, yo, it's strategic and it's smart and it well thought out. Now, in the first post, him say, big up everybody except for the 3 priests them. Now, enough people Kartel narrate in a dancehall space, but when I think about any specific 3, who come to mind? The most MVP people. Now, all in all, people, you know say I'm never rate M and V, which is Mavado and Vendetta, for all who wonder. But what he doing? Like, really makes that. Like, what Jamil and the rest of the trust them doing. Maybe Jamil just not getting a rating simply because him affiliated with them. Because remember, you know, Kartel no partial nobody, you know. And Tommy Lee they done say, yo, for your power with the enemy, you know. You're going to deny a war with the enemy, you know. Because I know what Jamil rate Kartel, isn't it? He said it himself. You could have picked that up for yourself too when he went to instant disaster, isn't it? Because dog they done say, yo, them no bad for you represent Kartel. Then again, people, you have to read into it, because Kartel is a man where we just dash can your foot for see if I go pick it up. Isn't it? He might have no beef with Jamil and just do this for shits and giggles. Because I know Kartel middle name a controversy. But I already know he not have no real beef with Vado. Them just go back and forth with the subliminal diss them from time to time. Not really dead. So we as the fans them, we don't want no gully guys or at least not right now. Me personally can't speak for that. I don't know about how you feel. We know if you're fuck, so him not rate Alkali though, isn't me? If I one entity out of MVP him genuinely not rate and the man himself. Which is for good reason, you see it? So but I just feel it's out of the situation there where, you see me, you're gonna get shot if you stand up too close to Alkaline. And that go for anybody. You see me? You know so that boy that is a long time and a long time you want to splash him up. You see me? Where say Vado and Jamil there beside him. Yeah man, them will get dirt too. You see me? I feel sad that's one of the situation there. You see me? But people thought it's my take on it though. Just voice your opinions in the comment section. See me out there have a conversation about it. Zane, like and share the video and so others can have a say as well. Also, what should the next conversation be about? Is it just DM me on my IG at Trill as I can see in the bottom of my video right there. So and subscribe to the channel same time and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And we do it again tomorrow. Zane, I'm out.